Yo, what's going on YouTube? I am Zachary X here again with another video. We're still taking our journey through a new genre. This is rock, metal, whatever you want to call it, or whatever you're supposed to call it. Once again, I'll figure it out and I'll clarify, but I cannot take all this time trying to differentiate one from the other. So, until I learn that, I'm going to keep saying that until someone corrects me and tells me what to say. So, right now we're still on the journey of Metallica, and their songs are so long, and I know that you guys aren't going to be sticking around to be listening to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18-minute songs. Or maybe you will, I really can't tell. So until I figure out more of how to get through this without keeping you guys up for so long, I'm just going to have to do it in full. So this time we're doing Master of Puppets. Now that name is so famous. I know I've heard it before, but once again, this could all be because of Guitar Hero. I did play Guitar Hero, but the thing is I never listened to the words of the songs. I just like to play the game. Top of that, I didn't even use the guitar because my fingers weren't coordinated and I couldn't do it. I just used the controller because I'm lame. But anyways, here we go. We're going to continue this journey of Metallica, and we are going to listen to Master of Puppets, and we're going to see what this brings us, guys. Well, what it brings me, you already know what it brings you, so, you know, yeah, I'm not even sure what I'm talking about anymore, but we're going to jump into it. This is Master of Puppets from Metallica. Let's do it. Sorry guys, I know that it's not right to stop the music, but I'm wanted to just touch on what I think is being said here. But once again, I don't know. I'm very cut and dry when it comes to things, I guess, because I don't know how to take things on a deeper level, especially at the beginning when I'm first listening to something, so I'll take it at the most base level that I can. I think he's talking about drugs, maybe drugs, I don't know. It sounds like, you know, molding your mind, you know, Master of Puppets controlling the strings. I'm assuming that that's the first thing that jumped in my mind when I was like, what am I getting from this? What am I trying to understand? And drugs is the very first thing that pops in my mind. Maybe as the song progresses I might change my mind and it might be something else, but right now that's the very first thing that jumped into my mind. still getting the same vibe from the song. I've never in my life had a drug problem, but it's still the same thing to me. Give me, excuse me, guys. But once again, it still seems like that's the direction that it's pointing at to me. It seems like it's just talking about drugs, controlling your mind, making you want to come back for more, pressuring you in to like chase that feeling over and over. That's just what I'm getting from it. I like how they can just completely switch it up and go in a completely different direction with the music. So much to take in at once, and I feel like if I don't speak on things, I'm gonna get backed up. I don't know the difference between when the music should be cut, when it shouldn't be cut, if I should wait till the end, but I want to take it in and tell you what I feel right away. Oh, there's just so much going on. First verse sounds like it's the master of the puppets, the master of puppets trying to pull you in, pulling your strings, trying to, trying to, take advantage of your weakness and try to tell you, hey, this is what I can give you, and it'll make you feel good, make you feel better. My cat just freaked me out so bad. I didn't know the door was open. It almost gave me a heart attack. Oh, and then the second verse sounds like the guy who took the drugs is saying, what's this? You told me that it was gonna make me feel better, but all I'm seeing is more pain, and you laughing at that pain that I'm going through. You encouraged me to do this, but now you're just laughing at me. And one thing, that's just what I'm taking from it at the very base level, and not trying to talk too long about it because I want this video to be watchable. Music's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love just listening. Even when there's nothing being said, it's just such a joy to listen to. Well, alright, that was fun. That was so long. But once again, the difference between this and the music that I'm used to listening to is that it can be that long while still, it went from one completely different sound at the beginning and just completely switched it on you, and then even brought it back again. So it takes you on this whole entire journey just through the music only, not even the words. They tell you the story with what they're trying to get across with their words, but they take you so much on a journey just through the music that you can just sit back and listen to it. And 4 minutes, 5 minutes in, you don't even realize that you've been listening to it for 4 or 5 minutes, and that time just kind of fades away. Some songs in rap, if it's longer than 3 minutes, you're just like, man, this song's been on forever. But you would definitely can find yourself just lost in being like, wait, what? That was an 8-minute song? I didn't even tell. So I really enjoyed that. That was really good. Once again, I still took the same meaning behind it. If there's a bigger meaning that I should be understanding, go ahead and go down to the comments and let me know what it is. Once again, leave those suggestions if you want. Like the video because it'll help YouTube know that people are watching my stuff so that I can grow. Also, if you feel inclined, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There's no need to do it if you don't want, though, because I'm just enjoying listening to the music. It's not about the subscribers, it's just about enjoying the ride, enjoying the journey, and hanging out with you guys. So hopefully you guys stuck around with me throughout this song. It was such a good song, and I really appreciate the suggestions. So with that being said, I'm gonna look for something else to listen to. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.